So, what's your name again?
My name is Paris. Nice to meet you. Your names?
I'm Sonia.
Sonia, and you, sir?
Joachim.
Where
So,
are you from?
I'm from Texas.
Texas, nice.
Yeah, and he's from Germany.
Germany. Are you living in Germany or Texas?
I live in Germany.
Germany, nice.
So we take a look and see all these here.
Yeah, this is the flavors here, okay?
Yeah.
We have 6 different flavors that we use real fruits when we are in the harvest season, September until January, and we put real fruits in the machines together with the olives and the olive paste, okay?
Yeah.
We have orange, chili pepper, lemon, basil, garlic, and spearmint.
Okay.
About the tasting, we have 4 natural olive oils also, a lot of coconuts, and some of our balsamics.
Okay, thank you.
The most famous product.
Most famous product
It's a
is
blend
this one?
with 2 different varieties that we use the olives about to make olive oil in CRETE. 70% Koroneiki, the baby olives, the smoothest olive oil that we have came from Peloponnesos, and 30% from our local ancient olives, Koroneiki. Tsunami, sorry. Just a moment. We have some water from when they do. Okay, I need to bring one more, Koroneiki, 1 minute. This is the ancient olives, the local variety, the Tsunates.
Okay. Oh my goodness, so many.
We have some extra balsamics with different flavors and
balsamic also.
mixed with extra virgin olive oil from Melisakis family, okay?
This is balsamic.
Yeah, that's the grape syrup, thyme honey. The most famous is the next, mustard honey, okay?
Uh-huh.
It's a vinaigrette in a bottle, so you can use it directly in Caesar salads or chicken with potatoes in the oven, a lot of different recipes.
Yeah.
If you have imagination, you are a nice cook,
Yeah,
okay?
yeah.
A typical from red grapes. So we are going to the creamy ones. New product, the lemon. Okay, you can use it for salads again. Or you can mix it with extra honey, extra olive oil, with fishes, vegetables, anything you like. Thyme, honey, more creamy. And my favorite, this is with the orange, okay? We use real fruits also about that. And extra virgin olive oil, as I told you. That's it.
That's it.
Thank you. 1 minute to bring you the. So this is a family business. They started all the section with olive oil in 80s, 90s, and the first factory in 1961 when they built it was with millstones, old pressing machine, the old-fashioned way. In here, with the new facility, as you can see, the malaxers, the mills, the decanter, and all that stuff, we are the last 14 years. And now, of course, the different, it's about the taste in an olive oil. We have highest quality because in the decanter machine, right now, we can keep all the antioxidants and the polyphenols in the olive oil, okay? In the past, the olive oil was more sweet like a caramel because they had the natural filters called in Greece dorbas. The dorbas made from the hair of the sheep or the goats, or of course handmade, and they had there just the olive paste. Then they squeeze it and they extracted the olive oil. Now we extract it over there, and directly in the small chemist lab that we say that we have over there, we can check in the olive oil factory all the quality, I mean taste, smell, and the most important, acidity level. Less acidity, of course, better quality and better price for the farmers that we have the cooperation if they want to sell the olive oil to us.
Okay, very good. Yay, you did an excellent job.
If you want more, tell me, okay?
Okay.